Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address. So let's get right into it. First, open the Bitget app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap the Assets tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then tap the Deposit button. Continue with Deposit Crypto. Now in the search bar, type USDT, or you can even search Tether USDT from the list. I can see it on the top of the list. Now select the network, choose TRC20 TRON network. This step is very crucial. Always match the network with the sender to avoid losing your funds. Once you choose your network, your USDT TRC20 wallet address will appear along with the QR code. Tap Copy to copy the address, or use the QR code to scan it with another device or wallet. And that's how you find and copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address on Bitget. Make sure to always select the TRC20 network when sending or receiving. Like and follow for more simple crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.